Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would do a Utricularia video. This is Utricularia alpina, and yeah, it's looking very, very nice today. I realized I think in about 800 or 900 videos I've done that I've only done like 2 Utricularia videos. And so I thought I'd show this guy today. I've had him for a few years, and I've never really bothered with them too much. But this winter I really took a liking to Utricularias, so yeah, you're going to hopefully see a lot more of them coming up. But I thought since this guy's growing, and he blooms for me every year, but he's never really done much because I haven't really given them proper care. So this year I put him in a net pot, gave him a much bigger surface area to grow, and just before the flower started I could see he was like, the roots were running around the pot, so that's good. I'm expecting good growth after these flowers bloom, and it can sort of resume its growth. I grow this on the highland side of the greenhouse. It gets temperatures down to about 12 Celsius or 52, 54 Fahrenheit at night in the wintertime, and summertime highs in the past has been 30 plus degrees. I gave this guy some bad treatment. I had him on the top shelf last year. I think I cooked him with like 35 plus Celsius. This year I brought him right down with my helianthores, and he's really only probably getting 26 to 28 Celsius on a really hot day. The sun is just bouncing off the flowers. They're so bright and so white that yeah, it's hard to actually focus on them. The wind's blowing them a little bit, but I just thought they looked so amazing that I would get the camera out and take a picture, or make a video of these, because they look absolutely amazing. So these guys are tuberous. I don't know if you're going to be able to see them down there, but there are kind of tubers down there. And yeah, in the winter I have been giving it, basically by accident, more of a dry winter rest. I don't let it get bone dry, but I don't keep it nearly as sopping wet as I did before. Other than that, for care, for the summertime, I keep it much, much moister. I usually flush the hose through it once a day or so. This particular one I don't really have sitting in water, although it comes close some of the time. It's growing under lights, so right in with the helianthores. It's bright and cool. I've never had it growing under lights before, so hopefully the lights make a huge difference to the growth. I'm really looking forward to seeing this in a year's time to see what it really looks like. Right now we only have 5 little leaves on it, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Top dressing of live moss. Underneath that is just sphagnum moss and big chunk perlite for aeration. Put it in a net pot to give it aeration as well. I think the roots really, really like air. And yeah, that is my Utricularia alpina. Just amazing. So I hope you liked this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching.